Hello, and welcome back to the Wandering Off channel. Today we are in Polignano a Mare, a true gem of southern Italy. Perched on dramatic limestone cliffs overlooking the Adriatic Sea, this town is known for its postcard-perfect scenery, charming streets, and rich history.
We are in Polignano a Mare. We are going for a nice restaurant, but we just arrived, and there is a flea market. So we are searching.
We loved it here. Something about the small town vibes, but also just about the natural beauty that was so breathtaking. Polignano a Mare is as much about the atmosphere as it is about the views. The narrow streets of the old town wind through centuries of history. Polignano a Mare has been around for 2,000 years, and its location on the cliffs overlooking the Adriatic has always been key. In the Middle Ages, the town's location on the cliffs was all about defense. Its high perch overlooking the Adriatic made it a strategic spot, helping protect it from pirates and invaders who frequently roamed these waters. During these times, the town's streets were deliberately built in a maze-like layout designed to confuse any attacker who managed to breach the town's defense. Now, as you walk through the narrow, winding alleys, you'll be able to enjoy this old-world design, which is very much still alive. Now you'll find hidden courtyards, small piazzas, and lookout points where locals once stood guard, offering stunning views of the cliffs and the seas. One of the most famous spots here is the Llama Montechile, a small but stunning beach, tucked between towering cliffs. This beach is not only a popular swimming spot, but also a famous backdrop for the annual Red Bull cliff diving competition, where professional divers leap from cliffs into the clear blue waters below. About a year ago, I made reservations in one of the most iconic experiences in Polignano a Mare, dining at the Grotta Palazzese. One of the most unique restaurants in the world, is set inside a natural sea cave which was carved out by the waves. This restaurant has been attracting visitors for centuries, and it's easy to see why. Grotta Palazzese has a history as rich as its menu. The cave has been used as a banquet hall since the 1700s, when local nobility would gather here for lavish feasts. Now, it continues to be a sought-after dining destination, offering a one-of-a-kind experience that blends nature, history, and fine dining. The restaurant setting is magical, but the food is equally as impressive. The menu highlights the best of Puglia's culinary tradition, featuring fresh seafood caught just off the coast, homemade pastas, and locally sourced ingredients. This will give you a true taste of the region's flavors, all while you soak in the incredible atmosphere.
And there's Alex. Hi, Alex. Hi. Do you see me? Do you see me? Maybe not.
The total cost was about 175 euros per person, as well as a bottle of wine that we purchased, which was 50 euros. Our first course, they gave us some freshly baked bread with breadsticks, fresh focaccia, torelle, served with delicious Sicilian olive oil. Next, it was a seafood crudo with fresh shrimp, tuna, scallops, the freshest fish I've ever had. It was followed by this delicious lobster on a bed of pesto croutons, so juicy and tender and cooked perfectly. This was truly one of my favorite things. The tomatillos with the crispy croutons mixed with the balsamic reduction in the pesto really paired well with the lobster. For our next course, we had a squid ink aliolio with mushrooms and a fresh spaghettini. The freshness of the pasta really stood out. This was followed by an absolutely incredible scallop dish with a green pea puree and some crackers on top, cooked to absolute perfection, followed by the steak. This was the steak of all steaks. That cream sauce on the bottom was melt in your mouth. They truly ended this meal off with a bang with this deliciously decadent and rich, creamy chocolate cake. And it was covered with flowers and really just the perfect cherry on top to what was a fantastic dining experience. The atmosphere, the views of this water, as well as the lights when it would light up at night. This experience was worth every penny. We just had one more mission. One more dessert.
Sam ordered le café glacé, which is French, and then...
Nope, that's not what this is.
No, exactly. So I actually don't know the name of this because that's what he ordered, and then she responded saying café freddo, and then he pointed to a machine that he wanted, and then they brought us this. So I really...
Which contains café freddo.
Yeah. Anyways, this looks delicious. I'm gonna take a bite.
So we first tried this in Trieste, and honestly this one is a lot stronger, but a lot more packed with flavor. It's so creamy, it's like almost the consistency of a gelato, like the creaminess of it.
No, I agree 100%. I don't find it strong like coffee flavor, but I do find it tastes almost like coffee ice cream. Like it's like super, super good and
But there's
sweet.
obviously like quite a bit of coffee in here. Polignano a Mare is a town that feels straight out of a dream. Whether you're here to explore its ancient streets, dive into its crystal clear waters, or indulge in one of the most unforgettable dining experiences in the world. Thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know if there's anything we missed in the comments so you can help out your fellow travelers. And until next time, my friends, keep wandering. Also subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe. We need that.